In this video, I am talking all about Wondershare DemoAir, an amazing screen recorder. So let's get into it. Wondershare DemoAir is really awesome because it is very user friendly. So let me jump into the homepage of Wondershare DemoAir and show you what they have to offer. So first, you have to just open the Wondershare DemoAir plugin in Google Chrome. So once you open the plugin, so here as you can see there are multiple options on the right hand side. So that's for desktop, current tabs, webcam only. So I will select desktop only. So since I want to record the entire screen, okay. And there are mic options as well for recording. You can select your mic according. And there is also webcam option, whether you want to switch on or switch off your webcam, you can easily do it here. So once you have selected, there are additional options like for system audio, and there are additional drawing tabs also. You can switch it on or off according to your need. And once that is done, you just have to click on start recording and select the screen and click on share button. That's all. Okay, so this will start the screen recording. As you can see on the left hand side, as you can see there are multiple options also, like for stop, pause, then mouse pointer is there. So in mouse pointer also there are multiple options. Yeah, as you can see. So also there is a highlight click also. So whenever you click there is a red circle. So I'll select the default one. And the second option is of a pencil. You can select. You can also adjust the thickness of the pencil. You can adjust the color. As you can see, you will be able to also adjust the thickness of the pencil. I'll do it clear screen. And after that there is a webcam option. You can keep it on or off. I've kept it off. So this is the pause option also. You can also pause the screen recording. So now what I'll do, I'll just stop the recording. And as you can see, the file has already been downloaded in MP4 format. You can easily edit the file in a video editor. So as you can see, this one is the file which I have recorded. And as you can see, there are multiple options also on the right hand side. You can directly share it on YouTube. You can transfer it through Gmail. Also you can collaborate with different teammates also with the above apps. You can download it from here also, again, whether you want to export it in MP4 format or web. So there you go guys, Wondershare DemoAir is a really awesome and powerful screen recorder, and I would seriously recommend it to anybody that needs to record screen for tutorial, gaming or demo videos. So if you are interested in Wondershare DemoAir, check the link in the description below. That will take you to their website and see if this is right for you. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you in the next video.